Censor Certification Board diktat for the emergency filmmakers. According to our sources, emergency makers have been asked to cut some scenes. According to our sources, the reason that the certification hasn't yet come in for the film is because the filmmakers have been asked to insert some disclaimers. They have red flagged some of the scenes, and the CBFC also appears to have added, according to our sources, that disclaimer must be coming in on this. Joining me, Aishwarya Paliwal for the latest on that. Aishwarya, clearly this was heating up. What are you picking up from your sources? What precisely the CBFC is objecting to? What is happening? Because Kangana Ranaut has said it's heartbreaking, but she's that the film is not getting the certification.
Well, let me tell you, Pooja, the CBFC has made it very, very clear. They had sent out emails also, and they said that the film, in fact, let me tell you, was watched not once but twice by all the people. And they said that after watching it twice, they have now said that there are some scenes which need to be deleted, and also disclaimers need to be put in all the places where historical evidence has been picked up. So a disclaimer of sorts, either on the top or on the bottom, is something that CBFC now wants them to do. From what we are understanding, the filmmakers have agreed for it, and once those things will be given, a UA is what CBFC at the moment is looking at. Let me also tell you, the Bombay High Court also at the moment is hearing the case, and the Bombay High Court has asked CBFC very clearly that the certificate should come in by the 18th of this month. So that's also something that the CBFC is looking at, cutting off some of the scenes, 3 scenes, and also proper disclaimer is what the CBFC now wants.
So for now, what scenes and how many scenes that will have to be deleted, and importantly, can that bring a date to be finalized for this much-awaited film?